Today, I'm gonna take you on a tour of this beautiful model home that you see right behind me. This is the Meadowridge model by the Mattamy in the Wildflower Crossing community right here in Kitchener, Ontario. You're looking at over 2,500 square feet of above-grade living space in this model, featuring 4 bedrooms. There is an option to go with the 5th bedroom. I just can't wait to show you guys the inside of this gorgeous home. So stay tuned and let's take a look at the inside. So come on in. Obviously it is a double door entry, and right as you enter, you're welcomed with nice and open spacious foyer. And you are looking at 9 feet ceiling right here on this particular floor. It's a builder standard with any of these models. You have an entrance to the basement from here, which is unfinished at the moment. But as you head further a couple steps up, you are on the main level. That's basically open concept living you're looking at. And you have stairs leading to the 2nd level, which we'll take a look at. But pay attention to the mudroom you have right here. That's where we call it a drop zone. If you are a homeowner, that's your garage entrance to the left. And you'll basically enter from there. That's the idea behind the mudroom. And drop your coats and the jackets and the shoes. And of course, you have a 2-piece powder there as well. And for the couple of steps up, you do have this open concept dining area. Now, let me know in the comments below, what would you guys use this space for? I mean, they have made it like a formal dining area, but I personally would have liked dining to be adjacent to the kitchen area. It's not too bad, but it's just, I'm not sure about this flow overall. It's not as smooth, but what I do love though is the open concept kitchen and the living, and plenty of windows right here in this floor plans and all across the home. And that's what I like. Just look at, because they don't have a dining here, they were able to give you guys this oversized breakfast bar with overhang for 4 chairs on the other side. And obviously you have an added space with lots of cabinet space and the counter space throughout this kitchen. And as you head here, it's a nice living, layout. You have those cozy gas fireplace that's built in the living area. And of course, you have this 9 feet ceiling. And I'm just not sure, again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the dining. But this is what I meant. You feel like it's kind of out of space. And it's an awkward space. Like, there's not much you would be able to do with this. I would not call it a flex space, but that's just my 2 cents about this particular floor plan that I kind of did not like too much. But come on in as we take a look at the 2nd level now. Now this one is a 4-bedroom layout, and as I mentioned earlier, you have an option to go with the 5th bedroom. And if you were to go, now this is a family room. So right as you enter on your right, you have this family room. Again, love the height of the ceilings and this cozy nook here, which is perfect for this family room space. But you know how I mentioned the 5th bedroom? This is where it could be. If you were to go for that rather 5-bedroom layout, you could turn this space into an additional bedroom with an ensuite. So you have a laundry here, which you could move and is set up for an ensuite for the 5th bedroom. So you will have 2 bedrooms with an ensuite in that case. So let me know in the comments what you would prefer, a rather family room with a 2nd level laundry or an ensuite with another bedroom. Now on the other side of this area, as you head a couple steps up, you have 1 bedroom on the front of the house. That's one of the secondary bedrooms you are looking at. And as you head from this side, this is where, so this could be a guest bedroom, I would say, or an office, because it's on the completely different side of the home and away from other bedrooms, giving complete privacy if you're working from home, or let's say if you have a guest who is going to use that bedroom. You have a linen closet here, and of course this is where you have the rest of the bedrooms. So this is one of the other secondary bedrooms adjacent to a common washroom, which is going to be a 4-piece washroom with a standing shower and a double vanity. So that's the washroom you're looking at. Again, very practical, double vanity for a washroom this size, you want that. And you have a standing shower there. Of course, you could go for a tub if you wish to. You have right across it, you have another bedroom. This is going to be a third bedroom, and we'll leave the primary, the best for the last. But again, what I do like generally is the size of these rooms. Even for a 4-bedroom layout, I mean, even if you were to go for a 5-bedroom layout in this house, you're not actually compromising on the space of any of this bedroom. Only thing you will have to compromise is that family room, which itself will turn into an additional bedroom. So you will still get equally sized bedrooms. And just look at this master with an ensuite and of course a walk-in closet. But you have a king-size bed with the full bedroom set staged here, and you can see there's ample space in this room. Of course, this is a walk-in closet, does not come with this organizers built in, but you could always opt for it either with the builder or get it done by yourself as well. What I do love is this double sink vanity, a standalone soaker tub, and standing shower with the glass panel. Again, very spacious for the ensuite and very convenient. And also on the second level too, you are looking at a 9-foot ceiling, which is an added plus. So that's again a really good layout overall. Let me know in the comments below about that family room part, whether you would go for a rather additional bedroom. I'm just not sure. Like some people depends on your family situation, and some people rather go for a 5th bedroom. I had a client of mine actually who went for a 5th bedroom in this space. I'd done a tour of that video. Exact same floor plan, the Meadowridge, which my client bought last year. And I've done a tour of that on my channel, so feel free to check it out. But this shows much better because of the fact that it is staged by the builder. So they are showing off the best that they've got. Also, as you walk in and enter to the downstairs, what I do like is it's very open and welcoming. You do feel like you're in a spacious home. And that's what I like about this particular layout. It's very open and spacious with lots of natural light, lots of windows. Of course, you have California shutters, which is obstructing some of the light. But overall, it's a very nice, open and spacious layout. Well, I hope you did enjoy the tour of this beautiful Meadowridge model. In case you're wondering about the price, we are looking at 1.15 to 1.17 as they have multiple transitions to choose from. But that's the range you're looking at. There are some great incentives available from Mattamy, at least at the current moment, offering tens of thousands of dollars in incentives. So be sure to reach out for more details on that. And on the top of that, if you were to buy any of the units ranging from townhomes from 700,000, single detached or double detached in this particular community, I will give you additional incentives for which you can reach out to me. All the info you will find right below in the description below. And nonetheless, I hope you did enjoy. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and tap on that bell for notification so you are the first to learn about the current market in and around Kitchener-Waterloo. Once again, whether you're thinking of moving in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. I'll be more than happy to help you and your family make a smooth move in and around Kitchener-Waterloo, Cambridge. Until next time, well, I do hope to show you around town.